Well, hello once again, my friends, and Merry Christmas to you. I hope you're having a wonderful Christmas season, and I'd like to show you another set of the vintage Viewmaster reels on the subject of Christmas. This is actually the birth of Jesus, or the birth of our Savior, and I was lucky enough to get these sets. Incidentally, I had gotten these reels. I had ordered 2 vintage Viewmasters, and I just bought them as that. It didn't say anything extra. When I opened up the box, lo and behold, I had the discs. So sit back, relax, and we're going to check out the discs from the 40s for the Viewmaster, Birth of Our Savior. All right, so let's take a look at the discs. Again, I had gotten these as like a little bonus that was in the box when I had gotten the Viewmasters. And I cleaned this one up. Let me show you what the other one looked like. I showed you guys a video of when I actually got these, and yeah, look at the difference. So I decided to use this one for the videos. But anyway, I had gotten a bunch of the discs, and I wasn't sure if I had the sets. Now I had the Christmas Story. I had 3 discs, and I did some research, and it does have 3 discs. This one was the Birth of the Savior, and I have 2 discs marked with that, and that was it. So I didn't know if there was only 2 discs to the set. I also had one titled The Wise Men Find Jesus. But after doing a little bit of research, I learned that this is in fact the set for the Birth of the Savior series. You can see on there R3. So we'll take a look at the discs, and yes, one of them is damaged, so I won't be able to show you that photo. I'm going to look online to see if I can find a picture to put up in its place. If not, it's damaged. We'll get to that in a minute. So when we look at disc 1, the Birth of the Savior, the first picture we have is Caesar Augustus signs the decree to tax all. Then we have Mary and Joseph leave Nazareth. 3, they travel to Bethlehem. The 4th picture is and to register for the tax. 5, the innkeeper turns them away. 6, Mary lays her firstborn son in the manger. And 7, the shepherds keep watch. So that was disc 1. You can see R1, part 1, the Birth of the Savior. So when we look at disc 2 now, incidentally, you can see Luke 2:1-20. So this is R2, or disc 2. When we look at the first slide, this is the glory of the glory of the Lord shines on them. 2 is the angel brings them good tidings. 3, they decide to go into Bethlehem to search. 4, they find the babe. 5, they make known the angel's words. 6, Mary ponders over all these things. 7, the shepherds returned, glorifying God. And that was disc 2 of Birth of the Savior. So now we look at the third disc. And like I was telling you guys, this one is actually damaged. I think, yeah. I was hoping it had just pushed out, but yeah, it's ripped. And this one is totally missing altogether. But this is disc 3 in the series. You can tell, R3. And then we go to Matthew 2, 1, 12. The wise men find Jesus. The first slide is the wise men follow the star to Jerusalem. 2 is Herod learns of their quest for the king of the Jews. And incidentally, one of the good things about the areas where it was damaged was I'll be able to show you 2 and 3. Because they're in stereo, so they would be double. So I will be able to show these. Part 3 is the priests tell Herod where Christ was born. 4, Herod sends the wise men to Bethlehem to search. 5, the star leads them. 6, they fall down and worship him. And 7, the wise men present him with gifts. So this was disc 3 of the series of the Birth of the Savior. And this one is, the disc is titled The Wise Men Find Jesus, but you can see R3 on the bottom. So I was happy to show this to you guys. What I want to do is I want to show you guys the sleeves and the packaging that these would have come in, because I don't have that with these. So what I want to do is I'm going to make a little slideshow, and I'll show you the packaging that these came in originally, as well as taking a look again at all the pictures.